Assalamu alaikum. This is Erin Beg on Budding Chef, and today we're going to make mini pizzas. Mini pizzas, it's kind of a tea time snack. We used to make it for Ramadan, but mostly we make it as tea time snacks now since Ramadan is over. It's pretty easy, it's quick, it's easy, it's yummy, and anyone can make it. So let's get on to the cooking. So here are the ingredients. This is chicken pieces, boiled chicken pieces. One tomato that's chopped finely or roughly, 2 handfuls of mushrooms, 1 onion, some pasta sauce. You can use any type of pasta sauce you want. Some cheese. I recommend you use as much cheese as you want because it's even better with cheese. And these are the spices. This is salt. This is black pepper. This is chaat masala. This is white pepper. This is coriander powder, and this is chicken stock. All of them are half a teaspoon. And yes, you have to use butter. It's better if you use butter. Okay, let's start. We're gonna start by adding 1 tablespoon of butter for frying. Let me just let it melt on the pan. And now we're gonna saute onions. And then we're gonna saute it. Put on full heat so it could be faster. Anyways, after this we're gonna saute the mushrooms, tomatoes, and the chicken pieces. So usually my mom, she makes these type of mini pizzas for breakfast using eggs. It's really good. So I kind of got this inspiration of making it like with chicken, and it's for me it's way better with chicken. So I'm sharing it with you guys. So when the onion became soft and golden, I added the mushrooms and the tomatoes in. So we're gonna saute them all together to become soft and yummy and golden. Now we're going to add the chicken. And saute them again. Then after this we're going to be adding the spices. And this thing, the sriracha mayonnaise. Honestly, I just love sriracha mayonnaise. That's the thing I love. You can add any type of sauce that you want, but for me, I'm adding sriracha mayonnaise. Okay, now we're going to be adding the spices. So I'm going to be adding just a pinch of salt, just in case if I don't get enough salt. And then the whole thing, except for the salt. There you go. And now mix. Now the chaat masala and the coriander powder, it's typical desi. If you want, you could add it. I honestly like it, but you can add anything you want. Be creative. Okay, now the sriracha mayonnaise, we're going to be adding 1 teaspoon or tablespoon. Saute. Okay, so we're going to be adding 1 tablespoon of sriracha mayonnaise for flavor. And you sim the pan as well. and then mix it up. It looks good already. Anyway, guys, I forgot to mention you can add like 1 handful of spinach. It's completely optional, but it's really, really healthy and good for the immune system. So I'm adding it right now. This looks good already. I'm just saying this. I can't wait to eat it. So now we should keep it aside to cool down. Using the burger buns. Okay, so now we're moving on to the burger buns. So we use the burger buns as a base, pizza base, and we're gonna be spreading it on with the pasta sauce. So it is like one teaspoon of pasta sauce, and then we have to spread it evenly. Ah. By the way, guys, I forgot to mention, these are just simple burger buns. See, I spread the pasta sauce onto the burger buns, and now we're gonna add the filling. Okay, so now we're gonna sprinkle the cheese on top. So after we sprinkle the cheese on top of them, and they go into the oven. So and they stay in the oven for. So guys, as you can see, the pizzas are ready and it looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, it's really, really good. It's really easy, nothing too fancy, it's really simple. Please try this. I recommend you trying this. Okay, so we're coming to the end of the video. But before I end this video, I'd like to give you a small message. So guys, it's about unity and stuff like that. So guys, please respect each other, love each other, stay together. Don't cause disputes on silly stuff about your skin color or anything like that. It's your actions that define you, not your skin or appearance. Anyway, and so that's all I wanted to say. So, peace out, I'm gone. Subscribe, share, comment, you know the drill. Anyways, Allah Hafiz.